Welcome to the ZeroOutages how-to guide. I'm going to show you how to do a quick configuration of your ZeroOutages settings. I recently installed the application and I just want to do a quick configuration setup so that I can get online and just up and running with this ZeroOutages program. So all I'm going to do is go to the links tab. I'm not going to make any changes here. And I see that my two adapters that I have already pre-configured are showing up right here as the IP address. But there's no gateway listed. So all we need to do is locate the gateway, submit it here, and make sure we hit these two checkboxes for them to be active. So the way you determine your gateway, you're going to have to go down to the bottom and find your local area networks and open that. Here we're going to go to the local area network 2 and click the local area connection link. Go ahead and hit details. If you scroll to the top, you should see IPv4 address and then the subnet mask, and a little bit before, since this is on DHCP, there's a lease time, the IPv4 default gateway is what we want. So 10.100.200.1. This is the IP address that we want to remember. Go ahead and close this. And you can minimize this since we will return to it. And for this address, we're going to enter that IP address we found. Now for the second adapter, we're going to turn to the network and sharing center, and we're going to do the same thing for the local area network. Click the link, hit details, and here we see the IPv4 address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. We're going to remember this IP address, 172.16.10.1. Go ahead and close this. And now we can close this since we're done with the center. And for the gateway, we're going to go ahead and enter that IP address. You can also change the network utilization by hitting the up arrow or manually entering the numbers yourself. This will increase the amount of traffic going through that internet service compared to the other. For example, you have limited bandwidth from one of your internet lines and would prefer to have it utilized less. In this case, you could set your preferred network to have 80% utilization and your limited bandwidth to have 20, giving this a 80-20% ratio. You also have the option to leave them set to 1 for an equal utilization between the two networks. Remember to hit the checkboxes for the active and go ahead OK. This was just a quick walkthrough of getting your ZeroOutages configured and up and running. If you do want a full walkthrough, then please watch that designated video. Thank you.